Hi guys, today we are going to see about Tomcat server installation. This is a page where you can download the Tomcat server. Okay, tomcat.apache.org/download-90.cga. Tomcat 9 is a stable version, so we are downloading the stable version. So current release is 9.0.39 is the current release. There will be a lot of distribution available. Here we are going to download the core distribution. I'm just downloading the zip format. Okay. It will take some time to download. It's a 11 MB file. Okay, have extracted the tomcat in a drive. Okay, I'm getting to these are the folder structure of tomcat server: bin, conf, lib, and logs, temp, web apps, on work things and all. Web apps, your container, your war file, jar file will be your war files will be placed it here actually in web apps. Configuration, I suppose by default the tomcat is started on 8080. You can change the port number by modifying the server.xml file. Okay, okay, I'm just going into the bin. And, actually, before starting the tomcat server, you need to set the Java home actually in the system variable, in the user variable section. Okay, I'm going to start the tomcat startup. Yeah, it is starting up. Yeah, yeah, server is started. I'm going to verify it. Localhost 8080. Okay, our server is started in the 8080 server. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you. Bye.